So, you're thinking about switching to Monzo, huh? Good choice. It's a slick little banking app that's been taking the world by storm. But before you dive headfirst into the world of pink cards and budgeting magic, there's one burning question. Does Monzo accept ACH transfers? Let's break it down. Now, if you're new to the financial world, ACH stands for Automated Clearing House. It's basically just a fancy way of saying electronic bank transfers. Think of it as the digital equivalent of writing a check, but without the paper and the weird squiggles. It's how most of your direct deposits, bill payments, and other money moves happen behind the scenes. So, back to the big question, can you use ACH with Monzo? The short answer is the kind of. It depends on where you are. If you're in the US, the land of opportunity and complicated banking systems, the good news is that Monzo does support ACH transfers. You can send and receive money using your routing and account number, just like with any other US bank. This means you can set up direct deposits from your employer, pay bills automatically, and generally manage your money without a hitch. But here's the catch. While you can receive ACH transfers, sending them out from your Monzo account might have some limitations. It depends on the specific features and services offered in your region. So, if you're planning to rely heavily on sending ACH payments, you might want to double-check Monzo's specific offerings for your country. Now, if you're outside the US, things get a bit trickier. ACH is primarily a US system, so it's not as widely available elsewhere. In most cases, you won't be able to use ACH with your Monzo account. But don't despair. Monzo often has alternative transfer methods in place, such as local bank transfers or card payments. So, while you might not get the full ACH experience, you can still move your money around with relative ease. It's important to note that the banking world is constantly evolving, and Monzo is no exception. They're always working on improving their services and expanding their features. So, even if ACH isn't fully supported in your region right now, there's a chance it could be added in the future. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, I always recommend checking Monzo's official website or contacting their customer support directly. They'll be able to give you the lowdown on everything ACH related and help you figure out the best way to manage your money with Monzo. So, there you have it. Monzo and ACH, a complex relationship with different outcomes depending on where you live. While it's not a one-size-fits-all answer, hopefully, this has given you a better understanding of how it works. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.